What's up, YouTube? This is the Chubs, and I'm bringing to you guys a skit. This skit is basically how female McDonald's workers, employees, whatever you want to call them, be. No matter if you in a drive-through or walking on in, this is how they be. Ghetto hood rat ass bitches, basically. Um. So, like, it took a while for me, like, to make videos because I didn't have a phone. You know, I know y'all probably see, like, I haven't posted in a minute because my iPhone just crashed on me. Like, it just crashed. So, with that being said, haven't backed my iPhone up for 3 weeks. So, if you iPhone users, Apple users, you know how that be. I just lost a lot of skits, a lot of everything. So let's jump into this video. Hi, welcome to McDonald's. How can I help you? Can I get a McDouble and a small fry? We're actually out of buns right now, so we cannot make any sandwiches at the moment. When will y'all have them? We won't get buns until 5 o'clock-ish. Like 5 o'clock. Well. Oh, this is pasta. Can I get I'm sorry. A medium chocolate shake? We have our shake maker. It doesn't work either. Can I get a McChicken? I don't know. A cookie? No need to do that. Do y'all have anything that y'all do have? Like, I'm just ready to eat and go, and that's all I want is just to eat and go. Like, well, not just eat and go. I just want to get my food, man. Okay, I understand that now, but we don't have anything at the moment. Not a patty, not nothing. We don't have anything at the moment. We are currently getting our lobby and everything fixed, so we're gonna be out of everything for a couple of hours or days. Oh, this is my stomach. Hey, twerk some, hey.